Myntri Rnagbah ke dalam Meghalaya Conrad kongkal sangma ulashim baga Jingleh ki kabelale dak HYC ban khang talai office trikam jong the NEIGRIHMS kalong ke ban laban Pdiang badulong baga sarkar karena ia kat pun kelentikaan persya ikbrik berhenti ban penthut ke jing trikam jong the gajaka sumar. Conrad kongkal sangma ulong bushim ke Jingleh ki kum kakam ke ban laban Pdiang. Namar bawa dak port maru kadang gejing buram ke bagspai na kadang kono kari kem la ban her thmai ki hospital badulong bagi la ban kidau kila ban gejing per jingmot ban rai kidan kilenti ban pul bet pat lagi ulong bagi pulit klashim khya kane bagi ladat ban register mokot duma bagi klashim senjam kat kum kaan bat anslai ek persya ek break berhenti rengkap bagi jing yo ya ki sakhi ki babyang.
Even during times of war, there is always an unwritten code that the armed forces of any of the countries never attack the hospitals. I'm very disappointed, I'll tell you, to see that the operations of a hospital, were kind of interfered with, and whatever the reasons may be. At the end of the day, if you do something like that, it is the people and the patients who suffer. And from any point of view and all humanitarian point of view, this is something that is unacceptable. I'm very clear on that. There can be issues, there can be differences, there are ways to resolve it. Whether it's a state government, whether it's a central government, or whether it is the concerned institute, has never shied away or closed their doors for any kind of discussion to be done on any issue. And we have proved it and shown it in the past also, and will continue to engage in the future. But to intervene and to kind of disturb the functioning of a hospital has not been done in the past. And this is something, as I said, I don't agree with. And accordingly, as I said, the police has taken note of it from a law and order point of view. The case has been registered, and the police is taking steps as per law and as per proof that is there. And we will take necessary action on that. As I said, we have never stopped any discussion or any issue. I'm not saying that the issue raised is not important or is important. But as I said, that does not justify interfering in the operations of a hospital. And if there are concerns, then there are other ways to discuss and address it. But stopping the operations of a hospital is not one of them.